Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Ferrari 488 Pista. Start by lightly sketching the basic proportions of the Ferrari 488 Pista. First, establish the car's overall length and width, perhaps a ratio of about 3:1. Then, mark the positions for the four wheels and the ground line. This initial framework is crucial for ensuring your drawing maintains the aggressive, low-slung profile of this iconic sports car. Remember, light lines are key for easy adjustments. Now, let's refine the body lines and capture the Pista's aerodynamic features. Focus on the sharp creases and curves that define its powerful presence. Pay close attention to the large front air intakes and the unique side vents, which are essential to its performance. Don't forget the rear diffuser and the two prominent exhaust pipes, which complete its race-inspired look. Next, we'll add the intricate details that bring the Ferrari to life. Carefully draw the wheels, making sure they appear round and in proper perspective. The Pista often features 20-inch wheels, so aim for that scale. Then, sketch the sleek headlights and taillights, capturing their distinct shapes. Finally, add subtle hints of the interior through the windows, suggesting the cockpit's luxurious yet functional design. For our final slide, we'll focus on shading and adding those crucial finishing touches. Use varying pencil pressures to create depth and volume, making the car appear three-dimensional. Darken the shadows beneath the car and within the air intakes to give it weight. Finally, add subtle reflections on the bodywork to suggest its glossy paint, bringing your Ferrari 488 Pista drawing to a stunning conclusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.